Welcome back po sa ating channel.
Nakakabigla, Tom Rodriguez may inamin kay Boy Abunda na ikinabahala ng lahat. Alamin natin ang buong detalye. Diretsyong nabanggit ni Tom Rodriguez na naisip din niyang saktan ang sarili para mawala na sa mundo sa gitna ng kinakaharap na mga pagsubok at problema. Dumaan ang kapuso aktor sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng kanyang buhay simula nang maghiwalay sila ng kanyang ex-wife na si Carla Abellana. Sa panayam kay Tom ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, nitong Lunes, March 18, nabanggit niya ang tungkol sa mga pinagdaanan niyang challenges nang magtungo siya sa Amerika at manirahan doon ng ilang taon. I don't know if I'm allowed say but there were times when it was really dark. I thought I was gonna do something to myself that's irreversible, simulang pagbabahagi ni Tom. Sabi ni Tito Boy, sorry, dumaan ka sa stage na you almost contemplated dying by suicide. I was there. And a moment that flashed in my mind was, what would my nephews think if they go through hardships? If they go through a hard time? Oh, Tito Boy was able to this, I can do it too. And I thought I owe them more than that. And now I owe my younger self that you can go through the hardest unos, bagyo, kahit ano ang dumaan sa buhay mo, as long as you find that integrity within yourself again. You build a trust within yourself and love for yourself and those who matter the most to you, kayang-kaya mo pa rin, ang pahayag pa ng aktor. Hindi rin nahiya ang kapuso star na amining napakaraming beses rin siyang umiyak noon lalo na kapag nakikita niyang nag-aalala na ng sobra ang kanyang nanay. There was a time nagtatago ako. I would hide away until you go through the dark night of the soul, and then you're able to face your loved ones, face yourself in the mirror, face your family, and then you start opening the conversation, sabi pa niya. Whatever happened in my life, I was also complacent in it, and I've taken accountability and responsibility for that, and lahat kayo, may kanya-kanyang battles. Kaya I wouldn't say it's just me. It happens to everyone. You can go through the hardest as long as you find that integrity within yourself again, that trust, that love for yourself again and those you matter the most to you, paliwanag ng aktor. Dagdag pa niya, pinakamalaking lesson was kinailangan kong matutunan kung paano pagdaanan lahat ng ingay sa buhay na kalmado lang. Hindi ko kayang bumagsak lahat. I started, when other people say na starting from zero, at the time, I was like starting at the negative cause a lot of the things that I thought meant a lot to me, disappeared. And then, you realized in that lowest moment, you have a lot to be grateful pala. You have a lot to be thankful for. Samantala, hanggang ngayon makikita mo pa rin ang bakas sa mga mata ng aktor ang kalungkutan, simula nang maungkat ang kanilang pinagsamahan ng kanyang dating asawang si Carla Abellana, ngunit kailangan niyang magpakatatag at naniniwala din siyang magiging maayos din ang lahat.